Hit the red button if it hit 2 minutes. Or maybe not. You're ready.
T3D 到了，前往国内出发，第01至第58登机口的旅客请下车。乘坐国际港澳台航班的旅客请不要下车。
We are arriving at T3D. Domestic departures for boarding gates D01 through D58. Please get off the train. International Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan departures. Please stay in the train.
Then international.
Yeah, this company is minimum. A sleep online packet 600 I think for me is okay. For me, sleep online.
为了您的安全，车辆行驶途中，请紧握扶手。
For your own safety, please hold the handrail while the train is moving.
列车即将离站，预计2分钟后到达终点站 T3E，请勿倚靠车门，坐稳扶好。
This train is about to leave, and it will arrive at T3E in 2 minutes. Please stand clear of the door and hold the handrail.
They say please stand clear of the door. Because I need to sit here.
是走的那个国内之间还是国际？去本家问，他也是第一段先到上海。
Oh, really?
He 他说先是去国内，先去国内，先是国内，然后第二段再是国内。
Do you know that was city that no, you didn't, that's the only train in the city. That means that how to take the train because that's the only train in the city.
T3C到了，请全体旅客携带好您的随身物品下车。
We are arriving at T3C. All passengers, please get off the train and remain.